Hello, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to help show you how to make a American flag Kanzashi flower pins. So first you need to cut out 6 of these squares ribbons. My ribbons are 1.5 inches, and I will make 4 petals in this red and white stripe ribbons, and 2 in the blue and white star ribbon. Fold it in half and then fold it in 4. Cut the end and burn the edges off. Make sure you don't burn your fingers. So this first petals is almost done. All I need is to burn the 2 edges so it doesn't fray, and we got ourselves a first red and white petals. Let's pass forward a little bit so we don't have to take too much time. The ribbons I'm using are, you can find it anywhere. You can find it at Joann or Michael's. They're pretty affordable. You can get them on sale for like $3, I think. And I like to use a tea candle for this. It's the one that I'm using right now is scented rose petals, so it's quite relaxing, I suppose, while I'm doing a flower. Next is gluing the petals together. You can dab a drop of glue, you don't have to squeeze too much, right at the end there, and put them together gently. Do not squish, you have to hold them for a little bit so that the glue can dry up before you press them together, or else you're going to have glue squishing out from everywhere between the 2 petals. You can also do a long line of glue like so. I personally like to do the long line of glue more because I feel like if I can do a long line, the glue is more evenly distributed. So we're gonna glue our 4th petals of red and white stripes. So you can pressure on using your finger to feel if the glue is efficient and enough to keep your petals together. It doesn't require a lot of glue, of course, but if you take too long, the glue can dry up before you actually apply the petals together, and that if the glue is dry, then you need to kind of melt it up a little bit, or else the petals not going to stick together very well. Okay, and we're almost done with our flower here. These Kanzashi flower are originate from Japan. The Japanese Ladies like to wear them in their hair as hair clip, but it has been adapted to use as flower pins, hair clips, lapel pins for the men's jacket. Okay, so the next step is to prepare the pin, and this is a regular pin about an inch long that I got from Joann. They come in packet of 20, I think. And a pre-cut out felt. I cut 2 little holes here. And then the circle is about 1 inch. And you put the pin back through these holes so the felt and the pin can be glued together, and when it is finished you don't see the glue visible from the back of the pin. Now you want to squeeze a generous amount of glue, cover the whole entire middle part, and apply our fabric flower. Give it gentle squeeze, not too hard, you might damage your flower. Make sure that no glue is visible in the front where all the petals are connected. There's a tiny little hole there, and we need to put something to center it all together. I usually like to use crystal rhinestone. You also can find these at Joann's. And these are like I think 4 mil, maybe even smaller. Not so sure, I lost the descriptions for these. You can find a white one. There it is. And you will have to carefully dab a drop of glue right in the center there, not too much, swirl around. And after this you probably have to do some glue web controlling. All those glue webs are so crazy. So make sure you get all of them out. And there we are. We got ourselves an American flag flower pins. Thank you for watching. See you next time.